Oh, I have a wonderful electronic invention I want you to see. It looks something like this.
I'm late. I'm about to miss my flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you to the San Francisco International Airport. The time now is 7 o'clock. We will be taxiing for a couple more minutes. We ask that you remain comfortably seated until we've parked at our gate.
Dental hygiene. Get yourself an electric toothbrush. Invest in that. I love hotel rooms. Don't know why. Gonna read a few chapters in my currently favorite book right now, but I'm actually gonna link it in the description below. This is the type of knowledge that they should teach in school and they don't know why, but I think the way you can communicate with people, which is essentially what this book tells you how to do effectively, is so important. I mean, that's the foundation of business, of social interaction, of so many things. So it's definitely important to know how to win friends and influence people.
Knowledge.
Oh, wow. I didn't know where I was for a second. Alright, time to leave this room. Feeling a little sick, not gonna lie. Feeling a little... So now I have to figure out how to get to the YouTube thingy. I think I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna go for a walk. Wow, it is so bright. That's a little better. This might be one of the rare occasions when I'm actually early. I think that's it. Yeah, this is definitely it. How to spot YouTubers. We all have these like little gorilla pods. Like that.
It's okay. So, here we go. Let's see what happens.
Oh. I literally didn't aim for anything. And I got nothing. Huh?
Oh.
Yeah, I get another shot? Okay. Wait, let me strategize this.
She said don't get emotionally attached to anything in here.
She said don't get emotionally attached.
And...
And he has...
It's the worst. So we're taking a shot of ginger. That's like YouTube's version of the initiation for us.
She only has the Fresno chili or the jalapeno ginger.
Oh god, that has zero tolerance for anything spicy.
Me too. I'm not good with
Go first.
Who else?
This is what?
This is the like step up. The step up from her. Oh, you're. Oh wait.
I'm gonna
smells-
get mine in a minute. But
That smells very strong.
Okay. With the challenge? Oh no, Jackie's really good.
Alright, yeah. Oh.
Really good.
I'm gonna finish the rest.
How you doing?
Okay, no, I'm gonna stop playing.
Nice. Nice little setup.
Yeah.
Wrap the panel. That was fun. That was fun. Wasn't it fun?
It was very fun.
A lot of good people here making it all happen for YouTube, for the platform.
We still trying to find that trending guy. I don't know where he's at. But
We're gonna find him. Yeah,
we're gonna
will.
find him.
I'm left. Yeah. And that's it. I love YouTube. They treat you well and they make you proud to create content on YouTube. It was honestly a great experience. We saw the people that actually code YouTube, like the people that actually make YouTube happen. So YouTube had these new employees and they want to know what's up with YouTube, what's up with its creators, how they can make it better, how they can improve the platform, things to change. Like they were like, you just be honest, say what's on your mind, give us your genuine feedback. We did. It's Valentine's Day, and I got my roommate a special gift. Little backstory, I was part of an Amber Rose shoot. She was promoting sex toys for this company, and they gave me a free sex toy at the end of that shoot. I'm just gonna pass it along to someone that could actually use this. By the way, she's like my best friend, so I hope this isn't weird. I don't have any wrapping paper, so this will have to do. Valentine's
Forever alone.
Please open it.
Thank you for reminding me.
Oh, what's inside will be an even bigger reminder.
Why do you have to give me a gift?
You'll see, you'll see.
Napkins, okay? What is this? What is this? Lelo? It looks super cool. I don't know what this is. Chris, is this a fucking sex toy? Yes!
Yes!
Why?
Happy Valentine's Day!
You're the type to walk from hotel room, caught up in the pursuit of everything you say you don't want. I'm just something obstructing your view, so do what you want to. There's no reason to put up a front. You're caught up, catching up, thinking that I can't see what you're doing.
This video is about figuring out how to live more, how to actually find that compromise with your work life and your personal life. A lot of times, YouTube and just the hustle of making videos can overwhelm your personal life.
You made it. You're in Hollywood.
So I can't say that I am there yet, but I'm working on it, and I just wanted to pass this along. Sometimes taking a break from just working on project after project can give you the inspiration to work even better, to express yourself even more. Because it's really hard to come up with ideas when you feel completely burnt out just by working non-stop, video after video. I'm already tired.
We haven't even started.
I was really struggling with being here now. That's what happens sometimes when you get really caught up in trying to push yourself harder and harder. You forget what really matters, which is actually living a little bit.
Gather round. I want to let each of you guys know I am super duper proud of you guys. You guys have moved out here, moved into your careers, and all of you across the board are killing it right now. So give yourself a round.